Hey everyone, it's Miss Kabamba here, and in this video I want to show you 2 ways you can style a headscarf. First, I want to show off some of my other hair videos. These are natural hair tutorials. This one is a slick back hair tutorial. And this is a little glow up video and a Ray House of Beauty drawstring ponytail. Alright, so you're going to need 2 hair elastics and your handy dandy scarf. Don't forget your ponytails. I have a 30-inch one from House of Beauty and a shorter one. So I tie my hair in a bun, I add the drawstring ponytail, grab 2 strands, tie my hair, and then I add the scarf. It's just that easy. Don't you love this hairstyle? It is so cute. Alright, so I take the drawstring ponytail off and I add the long one. Just like last time, I'm just gonna add 2 strands in the front. But since the hair's long, I tie it in a bun. I tuck in the scarf like last time. And there you have it, just that simple. I love this hairstyle.
This is what you're doing on YouTube.
That pops up in my head sometimes.
I'm posting this.
Bro, it's hot. You're not posting it. Like, girl.
I'm just trying to film this look. But you keep coming in.